Do you ever struggle with writing a professional email when applying for a job or replying to a client? Let me show you how Composer on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can help. As the example, we will compose an email on Gmail. To do so, open Gmail and tap Compose to start a new email. While you are in the message field, tap the writing assist icon on your keyboard. Then tap Composer. Type your main idea. At the bottom left, tap the format menu, then select email. At the bottom right, tap the tone menu, and then select professional. Now tap generate and Composer will create a polished draft for you. If needed, you can use the available button to refresh, copy, or insert the text. When satisfied, use the insert button to place the text directly into your email. So if you want to sound clear and professional in your emails, try using email and professional in Composer. It's like having a writing assistant right in your keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.